Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2021 Volvo S60 T5 Momentum. This is in this is in black stone with a blonde leather interior. Got the 18-inch wheels. Full LED Thor's hammer headlights are very distinct. Cross traffic alert with city safety, blind spot information system. This has a 5-star safety rating. We've got the premium package in this, so you get navigation. You can connect to your garage door. This also has the climate package, so you get heated seats in the front and the back, heated leather wrapped steering wheel. The T5 engine is a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. Got 250 horsepower. I asked my coworker Tim Swinburne what his favorite part about a S60 is, and he said it is like riding on rails. And I have to agree, this car is super agile, feels solid and safe, really responsive. Decent sized back seat, sunroof, I love the black trim, memory seating for 2, got your seat controls there. Got Volvo voice control. Turn heated seat down.
Lowering seat heat.
Thank you. Navigation. Easy to use touchscreen. We get a ton of new cars in all the time, so if this isn't exactly what you're looking for, I bet we can find you what you need. This is stock number 21059. And thank you so much for watching from Portland Volvo. Find us at portlandvolvo.com. Thanks a lot.